Cause you gonna. Right, tell him again. Get in here so I can start this bitch up. Oh. You gonna hold, you gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. Why you laughing? What it look like on that? What it look like on that? Yeah, like what it look like on
I see your face.
Go down the wood. No, it ain't. I just put it in there. Why I gotta go fast? I'm saying, why I can't just draw ready?
Don't slip. Hey, you ever just not like the nigga?
Turn right here. Be quiet. I'm finna let him hear this. I'm about to do that. See, Tom wasn't doing it.
You hear that bitch though?
Tom wasn't doing that. You look, the pedal's right here, so you
Don't teach him how to do that shit.
Look, you downshift it. Okay. You gotta drive. You just gotta get out here at night and just have fun and drive this thing.
You hear that bitch though, John?
Keep going straight. All right.
Damn, that shit sound like it's farting.
This bitch snatched.
For real, like damn.
You gotta really do this bitch like that, and then when you downshift,
When we get to the next street,
it lets you do it.
Yeah. All right, now be quiet, be quiet.
Got the fire coming on. Stop sign right here. Come on now, brakes at Brimbos.
They need to turn.
They do. They need to get out of our way. You got it on camera, Jalen?
Yup.
it says not for the blinker.
All right.
Don't pass.
Let him slow down. Just let him go ahead.
Yeah, stop.
Like stop.
You come to a stop. I'm finna stop the video and then.
No, you ain't gotta stop it. I can edit that out.
Bet. I should turn the flash on though.
It's on one.
It's a speed.
It is. Y'all smart as hell. Y'all seen that? Or this the one June went over?
Well, we seen the car go. Yeah, bro, just went over.
And he just went over another one. Yeah, we shouldn't. We chilling now. Or that was a bump he went over. Yeah, that.
Man, that shit is crazy.
I don't know why you weren't doing it like this. This bitch really do it.
It's really snapped you. Like,
You hear that shit? That shit sound like Need for Speed. Bro, I'm finna stop the video and turn the flash. No, I can't turn the flash on while you're driving.
They don't need the flash.
These motherfuckers need to get from in front of us.
I'll buy this house right here now.
Like when we get on the street to the crib, do that.
Okay.
This bitch is sticky as fuck.
He's talking about this gonna slip. Woo! Let me see.
Looking like a body. Bro, why you always think about it?
I said who?
I didn't assume nothing, right?
business with this shit, nigga.
The fuck?
Nigga know we dangerous, nigga.
Yeah, I got a game lead. What, hold on, so talking about that. I'm breaking it. I'm driving. The car there. You can hold the phone though.
I be stressing out.
He
man.
said, "Hey."
This shit stressing me out a little bit.
Turn right here. You gotta drive this bitch like this. You gotta record it.
Man, Tony,
I'm scared of that.
I ain't even gonna say nothing. Is there speed bumps on this street too?
I think so. It's like a rocky. It's like a rocky. He told this is stop sign. Hey, didn't I stop smooth though? Am I not cold with this shit? Like this is, huh? You see that? Drop it down. Ooh, drop it down. See the rim tone?
Bro, like I want to get out and like see what that shit look like from the back, bro.
Yeah.
I want to see if that bitch popping.
Get right here and get out the car and record me coming down, like go down right here.